Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be cooking a simple but very delicious fried rice. You're going to need green beans, carrots, onion, garlic, black pepper, sesame oil, soy sauce, and 2 to 3 eggs. I'm going to use 3 eggs, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you need to do, chop those vegetables up. Alright, so we got those all chopped up. Forgot to mention, you're gonna need 6 cups of cooked rice for this, so that's 2 cups uncooked. Go ahead, if you have leftover rice, that's great. I didn't have any leftover rice today, so I just cooked up some fresh rice, and let's get started. All right, so here we are at the stove. We're gonna go ahead and grab some oil. Turn your pan or your wok on high heat. Let that get hot real quick. All right, while I'm waiting for that pan to get nice and hot, I'm just gonna go ahead, crack my 3 eggs. And we're gonna beat those. Gonna give those a little stir. Not too much. Don't gotta do nothing crazy with it there. Alright. And we'll just set those aside. We're gonna cook those up later in the frying pan here. Alright, our pan's nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and add a couple tablespoons of oil there. Alright. Shake that around. Go ahead, grab your garlic and onion. Throw that in. Toss that around a bit. Let that cook for about 30 seconds. Alright, those are looking nice. We're gonna go ahead and add our carrots in there. Go ahead and give that another toss. Let those carrots start cooking for a little bit. Carrots are gonna take about 7 minutes. Green beans will take about 5, so give it 2 minutes, we'll throw the green beans in. Okay, go ahead, grab your green beans, throw those in the pan. Toss it. Okay, next we're gonna add about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, black pepper. All right, go ahead, toss that around again. Grab your soy sauce. We'll just bring this to a simmer. Let it simmer till the carrots and the green beans are just about cooked. So like 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna just add the rice in there. So we'll go ahead and get started on the egg now. Okay, for your egg, you wanna get your pan nice and hot, medium-high heat. Grab your olive oil, or whichever oil you're using. Throw about a tablespoon in the pan. All right, swirl that around. Grab your egg, throw that in the pan. Just let this egg cook up. Alright, so you want to make sure you just keep stirring this egg around. Slice through it. Doesn't take long, maybe about 1 minute. Alright, that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and set that to the side. Okay. Go ahead and give this a stir. Okay. A few minutes left on that. We'll let that keep simmering. And we'll get our rice ready to pour in the pot here. Vegetables are good, they still got a little crunch to them, so we're gonna grab our rice, throw that in there. Go ahead and give that a toss. If you can't toss it, just go ahead, grab your spatula or your spoon. Go ahead and stir that around. And go ahead and grab your egg. Throw your egg in there. Okay, give it another stir. And voila, we're done. Let's bring it over to the counter. All right guys, so there you have it. Like I said, super quick, super simple, super delicious. You can also make this with chicken, beef, shrimp, whatever you like to put in it. Tonight we have some leftover beef I'm gonna chop up and throw in there. If you don't have leftover, just wanna go ahead, after you put your onion and garlic, go ahead and fry up whatever meat you're gonna put in there and then cook your vegetables after that. Thanks for watching guys. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button, hit the bell button so you know when I release a new video. And thanks again for watching guys. See you next time.